morning, everybody. This is Michelle with Creative Operation, and I'm back today with our December hashtag Crafty Goals 2023. And I just wanted to do a really quick video, and I've got to tell you, it's really early in the morning. I woke up way before my alarm and needed to get this video done. So I haven't even had caffeine yet, so you're going to have to forgive me. I have been super uber busy the last several weeks trying to get ready for a bunch of things, and I just wanted to real quick go through a couple of the projects that I just recently made, what I'm doing right now, and then kind of go over what my plan is for December. I do plan on coming back probably on December 31st or January 1st and letting you know how December went. And then I think this yearly adventure that I've been on is coming to a conclusion. So I do want to say that I have had a really good time doing this, and so we got one more to go. So let's kind of look at what I've done this time. So I have a couple projects here that I just recently made, and I'm really happy with how they turned out. This one especially was amazing. I know that a lot of us make things and we tend, to kind of use them more as decor than actually use them. But this project here I actually used, and I was so happy with how it turned out. So happy, as a matter of fact, that I'm going to do another one for Christmas because it just turned out really good. So this is one of my tutorials that I did, a Thanksgiving Grateful box. And I had created some, a box to put keepsakes in for Thanksgiving. And it was a real simple box. It was one of my design team projects that I did with Country Craft Creations. Super simple box. And what I did with it was I put in, I made leaves, and I had added a piece that people could write on for Thanksgiving, whether they were things that they were grateful for, or little notes or anything like that. And my family just loved them. I did end up with, I think, 2 leaves that didn't get filled out, but every other one got filled out. Even the grandkids got involved and wrote little notes on them. So I was super happy with how that came out. And then I got this idea with my mom, and I remembered that I had a Polaroid camera, and I got my Polaroid camera out, and I gave it to the kids, and I said, take pictures. And they went around, everybody took pictures, but they went around and took a lot. So like, this is my husband. So the kids took pictures of Grandpa. There's their Uncle Max playing with Reagan. There's my little great niece, Brooklyn. So they just went around and took some amazing photos of the family. Now, some of them didn't turn out, but that's okay. They're still going to go into the box, and we're still going to have all of these memories. I ended up with so many pictures that, I mean, it's so crazy how this turned out. And the kids absolutely, I mean, look at how many pictures I got. The kids absolutely adored this project. They had so much fun that we're going to do this for Christmas. So I'm going to come up with a Christmas project, and I'll share that with you on my channel. But, I'm really bad at putting photos in my projects, and this was a super easy way to do it, and I just adore how it came out. So that project was amazing. I did make this project recently, and this is a Christmas 12 days of Christmas journal kind of thing. So you could put pictures on the back, you could do journaling, and I just kind of did some random things. I do have a tutorial for this as well. I'll put links down below for all of this. And then I made this really beautiful box to put it in. So I'm really excited to be using this, because honestly, for me this year, December daily isn't going to work. 12 days of Christmas is going to work. So I'm going to do a little project with this, and I'll come back and I'll share this with you. Whoop, can't get it back in there. The pen is in the way, but I'll share how this turned out as well. And then the Christmas box that I'm going to make. So also going on, Today is a winter retreat that I'm doing with Country Craft Creations. This is a retreat that we're doing virtually, and so today is my day. My video is going to start today, but this is like the schedule here. So I've got that going on today, plus I'm doing a craft fair today. So I have been like really busy. This is my November crafty goals that I showed you, and I didn't even fill out one for December yet, but I'll talk about it. But anyways, things that I must do. I did all of my design team projects for Country Craft Creations. I did an album with the 49 and market paper. I did the box, and then I did a planner, which I have tutorials for. I did finish the Afghan that I was commissioned to make, and it's amazing, and she loved it. And then the craft fair. I'm doing that today. Today's day number 2. Yesterday I went, and I'll put a picture of my display right now. And I did remarkably well. I was pretty surprised, but the response to the craft fair was great, and there are a ton of vendors. The craft fair is at the hospital that I work at in Portland, Oregon, St. Vincent Hospital, and the whole lobby on the east side is just full of amazing vendors. If you're local here in Portland, go down and check it out today. It's going to be going on from 8 until 5. So there, a shameless plug for our craft fair, but there's everything there. There's everything from candles to jewelry to beautiful glasswork, woodwork, hand-drawn and painted Christmas cards. I mean, it's just remarkable. And the people, quilts, I mean, like literally it's crazy. So I will try to catch a couple pictures and throw those on as well if I remember to today. It was so busy yesterday, I didn't even get a chance to go look at all the stuff myself. So there you have it. So I'm doing that. I wanted to get the baby book to Oliver. That was commissioned. And then the Afghan, I got it done, and she knows about it. I didn't get it to her yet because we're, trying to keep it secret. It's a Christmas present. This is coming up, the bee stuff. I'm doing a craft fair with Linda on the 18th, and she has a bee-themed restaurant that I'm going to be making some kind of bee-themed projects for. So I did get some stuff made, and I'm going to make some more. So I've got a couple weeks to do that. That's on my December plan. Thanksgiving, of course, is over and done, and it went perfectly. It was probably the best Thanksgiving ever. And then I started my craft room project, believe it or not. After this whole entire year of saying I'm going to purge my craft room, I started actually working on it. So I haven't gotten very far, but I have started. So that's what I have done. As far as like talking about what I have made, this is stuff that I have done. So let's see. I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different albums this time. I did a couple album designs by some designers from Country Craft Creations, and then of course I did my own creations. And then the Grateful box. This one was amazing. I just loved it. And then I have another friend who is having a baby boy being born in their family, and so she asked me to make an album for her. And then there's another one coming up, so that's another December project, is a baby girl album for my friend Theresa. Since I got the Afghan done, I started knitting a scarf for myself. So I've worked on that, prepping on the craft fair. I made 27 ornaments for the craft fair. I made cards, 16 different cards. One of them was a birthday card for my son, but the rest were Christmas cards that I took ahead and went ahead and took to the craft fair. I made 32 gift card holders. I made nugget boxes. I made 12 of them, 10 of one style, 2 of another, and then I made a Ghirardelli boxes. I made 2 of those to take to the craft fair. I also made some mini desk calendars for the craft fair. I did 6 of those. I made some paper clips that I also did another video on that turned out amazing, and I did 15 videos and or posts, not including this one. So I've kept pretty busy. So yeah, that's kind of a wrap up of what I did in November and December. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fill this out. I'm going to put some pictures in that, and I'm going to do some journaling. I am going to make the second baby girl album for my friend Theresa, and get that done. I'm going to obviously work on more design team projects for Country Craft Creations, and I'm going to continue working on my craft room and really get that going now that and the craft fair that's coming up on the 18th, I've got to get that done. So those are some goals that I have for myself for December, and then obviously getting ready for Christmas. I do have my Christmas cards made already for my friends and family, so that part is done. You guys have seen that throughout this project. And so I got to get those out by the next, couple days. I'm going to start working on getting my Christmas cards done. So yeah, that's kind of where I'm at. So I've been super busy and I'm really tired, but I'm having a lot of fun. And I'm going to stop this video. It's not even 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm going to get some caffeine so I can go to the craft fair and be awake and ready to go for that. So thank you for watching this quick video, and I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you soon with a wrap up of how my December went. And I just have a great day. Stay crafty, stay organized, and I will see you again soon. All right, take care. Bye bye.